People ask me multiple times a day, how do you cut the pipe, a cast iron? This is the proper way. First, you take a measurement. This is a soap stone. We put the X on it for ease of measurement, so later on you can see. A lot of times people get confused because they can't get it, so you have to loosen first. Like this. Once you have pipe cutter open all the way, you wrap around cast iron pipe and you center it up between the X.
What link?
12. Link number 12. You put on link number 12 for all you rookies. Now you tighten this righty-tighty, lefty-loosey until it's nice and snug. Then you check it. Yes, it's snug. And then you straddle yourself on the pipe. Until it's gonna break. And you keep tightening it. It's good forearm workout. Look at my forearms. Look. This is from the pipe. Voila. And this is